Today you are standing at FrieslandCampina Aalter, one of the 50 production locations FrieslandCampina has globally. This factory produces roughly around 800 million liters of milk. We produce long-life white dairy products and also long-life professional products. There are also a lot of side products. With side products I come to specialized coffee milk, cream only, iced coffees, high protein drinks, chocolate drinks, drinking yogurts. All these kind of products are being processed and filled and packed here in this factory.
The CIP system that we built here newly was introduced to replace two older CIP systems, and it's mainly used for cleaning of tanks and process piping, which are of course important to produce hygienically all the products that we are making here. In order to have this CIP station up and running at all times and available at all moments, in case of a failure of an instrument, we need to replace it very quickly, so to reduce the downtime at its maximum. And for that, this kind of instrumentation is very easily switchable from an instrument that we have on the shelf in our spare parts office towards the installation. So that's the main reason to have limited downtimes into operation of the CIP unit. IFM came out with the biggest benefit of having all instruments available, and also the support and the technical explanation went very smooth, and that was one of the major reasons why we asked our process integrator to integrate IFM as key supplier for the IO-Link instrumentation.
So the global goal of this project was to introduce this technology of IO-Link and making a success and helping FrieslandCampina by leading them into the do's and don'ts of this technology. So we had a great collaboration with the company Penco and the company FrieslandCampina. Penco did the integration, and we collaborate with FrieslandCampina by helping them to introduce IO-Link for the first time in their installation by selecting the right components for them, but also by organizing the trainings.
We had the opportunity to build for FrieslandCampina a CIP installation. To do that in a full automatic way, we used AFM technology and AFM measurements to come to a good solution. The experience with IO-Link was very good. It gave us really an advantage during the installation, the cabling phase, and then afterwards the startup of the automation. We worked with AFM during several projects during many years. Our experience is good. It's easy to access the people. Whenever there is any technical question, people are available and the knowledge is over there to support us as an implementer for food and beverage installations.